Good morning guys, another video from Adam here at PATN. Today we are going to be looking at the Brembo Upgrade range. We're going to be looking specifically at the Gran Turismo kit. The Gran Turismo kit is the big brake kit basically from Brembo, available for the aftermarket side of the things, so your performance, your race use. So we're going to have a little bit of an open up of the box. We'll take a look at what you get, what kind of options you have within the kit. This is just one kit. This is for the S3 and the Golf R Mark 7, but we'll show you what you're going to get in that side of the kit, and we can show you the benefits of it, and we'll kind of direct you to the website as well, where you'll be able to see more and read more all about the Gran Turismo kit there. So let's take a little bit of an open up. We'll go through some of the things and we'll get some nice detailed shots for you so you can see the quality that you really get with the Brembo there. So let's take a look. So with the Brembo Gran Turismo kit, they really do kind of stamp everything on the box and they make bold statements straight away. So with this, the heart and soul of racing now in a box, and I think they truly mean that, and the skill, the quality really is there. For those that don't know, Brembo is now on pretty much everything. It comes on F1 cars, literally the pinnacle of braking and performance with any motorsport, having to handle high temperatures, and they're releasing brand new technology all the time into that. They then come on many motorsport uses, you know, throughout the GT championships, racing throughout, but it's also coming on OE applications as well. You would have seen them on your sports cars. Most Subarus now come with them as standard, Evos back in the past, and then kind of come into newer stuff, sports cars, supercars, hypercars, the lot basically. So any kind of performance car seems to be coming with Brembo from factory. So this is really showing their kind of embedment and their trust that they get from OE manufacturers. So this is now moving into the aftermarket side of things. So you might have a car that you want to upgrade, you've done a lot of horsepower work, but now you need to improve the braking, and this is where Brembo will be coming into that. So this is a complete new system. You'll be getting discs and you'll be getting calipers for the front, you'll get brake lines, you get pads, and then a lot of the applications also have rear applications as well, which is fantastic, meaning you can really get that full car good bias setup with a huge braking performance increase. So let's get open the boxes now, and we'll just go through what you're going to be getting in there. This is just one kit. This is the Audi S3 and the Mark 7 Golf R kit. Just one of the hundreds of applications that Brembo are offering within the Gran Turismo range. So we'll go into detail of what you're getting, but we'll also show you on our website where we'll direct you where you can get more applications, and you can see the range, because every application has multiple disc applications and multiple caliper applications. Brembo have been very good at being very specific on what they offer for cars, in terms of they really choose the right option for you, but then within that option you get a whole host of options that you can choose to really customize the setup to your needs. So this might be something like a different caliper choice. They do a range of calipers suiting on needs, whether it's a two-piece, a monoblock, or it might even be full cast. But then they have disc options as well, with drilled, slotted, and then going up to carbon as well if you were only using it on a racetrack and you have some serious application to use it on. So without further ado, let's get this open and we can go through what you're getting. So we'll start with the smallest box, and we'll go down to the beautiful box as well. So let's have a little bit of a look. So starting with the brake lines, fantastically you get a brand new set of brake lines for the front here. This is a front setup. The Goodrich brake lines are really going to help in the quality of your pedal feel, so you don't just have that high friction coming through from the brake pads, you've also got that firmness in the pedal, basically meaning when you're pushing all that hydraulic fluid with your brake pedal, you're getting less flex in the hose, so nice good feel on the pedal. Very important for how the car feels when everything's set up. You're then getting just some fittings, nothing too important, the sliders, bolts, everything like that. I say important, it would be very bad if they weren't there. And then you get the carriers as well for the caliper, so let's just put that to one side. Now what I like about Brembo is it does just come in a cardboard box. There's nothing too exciting there. They do have all their logos stamped on it, the Brembo Racing, the beauty of outstanding performance. They really are bold with it, which I love. But when you open it up, I'll open it this way so you can see. Look at all that extra protection here. Now, these kits are do have a price tag on them. It is for good reason. The quality is incredible. So this is the Brembo caliper. This is in there black. It's a 6-piston caliper. I know I've kind of mentioned it before with products that we deal with, but you can really feel the quality in the product. I know it's hard to get across in a video, and I'm sure to you guys it just looked like a caliper, but this is a incredible piece of kit. Let me put this out of the way so you can have a better look at it. So it's a 6-piston caliper, as I said, and as we were talking about the different range of Brembo, so they have different versions. It wouldn't just be a 6-piece they offer. They'd probably offer a 4-piston caliper as well, depending on the application, and then different manufacturing kind of versions as well. Like I said, whether it's a 2-piece or 1-piece, and then they have different designs depending on the use, application, and kind of your budget as well, to be honest with you. And within that range, they give you a whole host of colours, which we've put on our website at brembosport.co.uk, so do go check it out. So this is the caliper. We'll get some nice product shots of this, and you can see how lovely it is. It looks fantastic. So this one's actually for race use only. The reason this one's for race use only is because it doesn't come with the seals here on there, so it would get dirty very quickly, so they would need maintenance a lot more. So if it was on a racetrack, then you'd be maintaining it after every race. On road, you'd probably only get down the road before you would need to do it. So let's take a look at the big box and show you what's in there. Now the 2-piece discs that Brembo make are incredible. I've seen some of their carbon stuff, and it's truly mind-boggling and just fantastic, really. I would love to give them a good try on track and kind of feel the performance. However, this one, we're looking more at the road use and a lot less of a vehicle. S3s are great, but they probably don't need the carbon discs. So let's open it up. So this is the slotted 2-piece disc from Brembo. The performance is truly there, coming from the grooves there, the system of the 2-piece there, so that would all be expanding when at hot temperatures. Look at the thickness of this. It's got the veins going through, all curved, of course, what you would expect from Brembo. And this, partnered with the calipers there, is going to be a great setup. You'd feel very comfortable on track or at high performance on road. Very lovely. Comes all kind of protected, painted in the center there, so you would get a nice long life out of it, and also would look good as they put the miles on the car, to which I'm sure you would want to, given the system, and you'd want to be feeling it on the road every day, I'm sure. So in terms of brake pads, the Gran Turismo kit does come with its own brake pads. It comes with a specially formulated Brembo pad, but we also have the HP 2000 pad there, which is their sport brake pad, which is a fantastic application which we sell over at brembosport.co.uk, so do go check those out. And then we also have a whole host of discs as well, which are going to be coming out towards the end of the year, back in the summer hopefully, which will just only extend the application list, and you'll be able to get the pad and disc set up without going for the Gran Turismo range. But as for the Gran Turismo range, yeah, you get your pads sorted in that as well. So you're getting the whole axle's worth of parts there. So that's 2 discs for the front, 2 calipers, the brake lines for the front, all the fittings, and then a set of brake pads for the axle as well. And then again, we do offer a whole host of rear applications, so you can really get that set up spot on for fast road or track there. So if you did want to kind of get more information from us, then please do head over to brembosport.uk, go to the contact page, just drop us a message, or give us a call on 01604 212 140, or drop a comment on the YouTube channel, Facebook page at potn.co.uk, and we can certainly get back to you and give you some options on what we can do for you. We have a whole host of parts available to us. We don't just offer Brembo, we also offer IBAC, we offer Bilstein, Pipercross, and the range is getting ever so bigger. So please do get in touch. We can sort you out today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.